Hello everyone, this side Riddhi Soral from Hackers Blog English, and today I'm going to cover a blind SQL injection with time delays. So there are several factors how SQL injection works and how these payloads injected into the input. Alright, so here we are understanding about the blind SQL injection. Blind, you must be aware of that what blind SQL injection is meant for, but there are several different other factors on which this SQL injection works on. Okay, so here we are with dealing with the time delays. So in the time delays, what happened? Attacker delays the time. All right, so this lab contains a blind SQL injection vulnerability. The application uses a tracking cookie for analytics and perform SQL query containing the value of the submitted cookies. Then we have certain errors and rows, like in the query, what we feel when we are looking into the queries. So let's understand the result of the SQL query are not returned, and the application does not respond any differently based on whether the query returns any row or causes an error. However, since the query is executed synchronously, it is possible to trigger conditional time delays. So let's suppose we are taking the 10 seconds delay. So let's understand that how SQL injection vulnerability can be exploited by putting the time delays of 10 seconds. So let's open the lab. Quickly we'll make a connection. Let's suppose first check the burp suite. We have the proxy settings here as the normal, the localhost proxies we are having. Now we are injecting the same here in the manual. We'll click on OK. Then we reload it just to check the manual connection exists or not. So in the burp suite, we'll be going in the history, and yes, we can find out that Academy lab header we are seeing here. So all right, we are injected with the community edition of the burp suite. Now first we have to on the intercept just to capture the request. Let's reload it. Let's understand this. So now we have the tracking ID here. You can even see this. We have the tracking ID. So in the tracking ID, if we'll inject some payload related to the time delays, and then let's see what happens. So whenever, as I said before in the videos also, apostrophe is always work in SQL injection. So let's put this first. Then we'll be putting the OR symbol. We will be putting one function pg underscore sleep with 10 seconds mentioning here. All right. So now when this particular payload is injected in the tracking ID, what we have to do is we just have to put the comments after that. So let's forward this request and understand that what actually is happening here. All right, let's forward this also. All right, we'll put the intercept off and let's check. We'll put no proxy here just to check whether this attack is completed or not. Yes, so it's completed here. That's why it's showing the congratulations, you solved the lab. So hope you understand this video, because here what we have done is, here simply we have taken the tracking ID, and in that we have injected some kind of payload which is meant for time delays. All right, and then we have just forward the request just to check whether it works or not. So we have mentioned this for the 10 seconds. That's why it's taking delay of the time to just generate the reports, response. All right, so hope you like the video, and please subscribe the channel. If you have any query, please drop in the chat window. Thank you so much.